up, y'all? Welcome back to Goddess Vegan Garden, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some flavorful, fresh out pasta dish with some fresh out herbs. You feel me? And it's all coming from Goddess Vegan Garden. And what we have over here is some basil, some parsley, some thyme, and oregano. All from Goddess Vegan Garden. You feel me? So guess what, y'all? Stay tuned, cause we gonna put the words in, y'all. We have some bell peppers, some yellow and red bell pepper, some mushrooms, and some onions. And right now I'm just gonna saute it up, and then after that I'm about to add in my 4 cloves of chopped up garlic. Right here you are seeing me add in my 4 cloves of garlic. Dump, and you're gonna saute it. Okay, Trader Joe's. Adding in that coconut milk. Make sure you scrape that. My fresh herbs, which are parsley, basil, thyme, and oregano. Chop that all up in there, and I'm about to let it simmer. Lastly, add your cooked pasta and just stir it around. Some wonderful pasta, I guess like it's a Cajun pasta, with a side of sauteed kale. You can pair yours with whatever you want to pair it with, but that's it. Goodbye. I'm about to smash on my food.